This is Asanina. You're watching APN Northeast. A 32-year-old chronic liver disease patient being treated at a male ward of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Science, Porompat, Imphal East, have been allegedly left abandoned by his family members since April 6. Directors of JNIMS have urged the family members and relatives to cooperate with the hospital in order to save the patient. The patient, who was registered as Chongtham Sopoi Kumar from Thamaiband, Yumnam Lekai, was admitted by the members of All Manipur Auto Rickshaw Association on March 30 after his health has worsened. He was accompanied by a woman called Sonia, who identified herself as the wife of the patient. However, when the doctors asked the name of the patient, he identified himself as Moirang Tham Sopul from Nagamampal, Paunam Lekai, Imphal West. According to report, Sonia has left her husband unattended from April 6 and has not returned since then, and she would not receive any calls either, raising concern among the nurses and doctors who have been taking care of the patient, making arrangements for food as well as changing bed sheets since April 6. As part of the treatment, JNIMS is also given 2 blood units and 4 units of frozen blood plasma to the patient. He has also been provided with an oxygen cylinder and a monitor, and presently requires about 4 to 5 bed sheets changes every day. The hospital has appealed the family members and relatives or friends of the patient to attend the patient before any unwanted incident happens. In an unfortunate incident, 3 members of a family were buried alive in a heavy landslide in Arunachal's Kurung Kumey district near China border. The victims were Suri Dongdang, 50, his wife Suri Yajik, 48, and 8-year-old son Suri Takar. 2 escaped unhurt, however, the body is still missing. A search operation is around the trees to search the buried body. Notably, over the past few days, heavy and incessant rainfalls have created havoc and fear among the citizens of the state. Following the havoc, the district headquarters remain cut off from the rest of the state since Sunday night, as the roads are blocked in several places between the old DC office and the mini secretariat in Malapur, disrupting surface communication, water and electricity, especially in the district headquarters.